In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage bills in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the entire process, from logging in to running insightful reports, ensuring that your bill management is both accurate and efficient. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser, though I recommend using Chrome for the best experience. Navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com and enter your credentials to sign in securely. Once you're logged in, it's time to dive into the expenses section. You'll find this on the left-hand menu. Clicking on expenses reveals several tabs. Click on vendors to access your list of vendors. For creating or managing bills, click expenses once more and then select the bills option. Now, let's focus on creating a new bill. In the bills section, you'll notice a new bill button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on this to start entering your bill details. Begin by selecting the vendor to whom you owe money. Next, enter the bill date. This is the date on the actual bill. Don't forget to input the due date, which is the deadline by which the payment should be made. For ease of reference, you'll also want to include the invoice or bill number. As you scroll down, you'll encounter the category details section. Here, you'll choose the appropriate expense account. Some examples might be utilities or office supplies. Then, enter the amount corresponding to the bill. If additional context is necessary, don't hesitate to add a description. QuickBooks allows for flexibility. You can add multiple items or categories by clicking the Add Lines option. While not mandatory, attaching supporting documents can be quite beneficial, especially during audits or for internal clarity. If you opt to do this, click on Attachments at the bottom of the page and upload a scanned copy or photo of the bill. Once you've double-checked everything, it's time to save the bill. Click Save and Close if you're done for now, or Save and New if you need to enter another bill immediately. To keep track of all your bills, return to the main bills page through Expenses. Here you'll see all your bills, which will display various statuses like Open, Paid, or Overdue. Use the filtering and sorting options to organize bills by due date, vendor, or status, which can be extraordinarily helpful in maintaining a structured overview of your finances. Now, when it comes time to pay a bill, locate it on the bills page. Click Make Payment, then choose the account from which you'll make the payment. This could be a bank or credit card account. Enter both the payment date and the amount, and make sure to save this payment. QuickBooks will automatically update the status of that particular bill to paid. Finally, navigating to the Report section on the left menu lets you harness the analytical power of QuickBooks. Search for specific reports such as unpaid bills or bills and expenses to get a comprehensive view of your outstanding obligations. These reports are incredibly useful for monitoring your cash flow and ensuring that your business remains financially healthy. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough for managing bills in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll not only save time, but also maintain precise control over your financial transactions.